Babe, they nominated me for promotion today.
Promotion?
Yes, I am so happy. This is a big deal.
Why are you just telling me?
I wanted to surprise you.
Okay.
Yes, manager position. If I pass the interview, the salary increase is serious.
Wow, that's good now. But what of us? This changes everything.
Don't worry, we will manage it together. I'm nervous though.
No, don't be nervous. You're smart. You'll get it.
Oh, come here, my love.
All right, darling.
I love you so much.
Hello, Brother Kunle. Hope no problem that you are calling by this time.
Oli, there is a big problem. My wife must not hear this call.
What is the problem? She's about to get promoted at work. If this happens, she'll start earning more than me. I see. This is troubling you.
I don't want it to happen. I can't allow my wife to become bigger than me in this house.
What do you want me to do?
Please, Woli, pray so that promotion will fail. I have to remain the head of the house.
I will pray about it, but be careful what you invite into your home.
Woli, leave that talk. Just do the prayer.
Babe, are you okay?
Yes, I'm coming now.
Interviews tomorrow morning. See,
Wow, it is true.
pray for me.
Of course. You already know I'm behind you.
Thank you.
So this Woli didn't pray for my wife not to get the position? Or why is there still an interview? I knew when he started advising me. I know what to do.
Hello. I'm calling about your employee. She has been leaking company information outside.
You better investigate before promoting her.
Fired me.
What? Fired?
They said somebody accused me of misconduct. They didn't even let me explain.
Calm down. You'll get another job.
Please don't walk away. Talk to me.
I can't do this right now.
You never want to talk. Please.
Just leave me alone.
She wants to earn more than me? Never. I can never allow that happen.
I found another opening today. This one looks really good. You didn't even ask where.
I don't care.
What's wrong with you these days?
Nothing is wrong.
Then why do you sound irritated anytime I mention work?
Because ever since coming to this America, it's career, career, career.
I'm trying to rebuild after losing my job.
Or maybe you're trying to become the man of the house.
That's not fair. What kind of statement is that?
Forget it.
Thank you so much for the opportunity. I really appreciate it. Sorry, 1 second, please. Sorry. Can you please reduce it? I'm on a call.
Is it only your work that matters in this house?
Please, for God's sake. My life depends on this. Have you seen the car keys?
No.
I need them now for the interview. Where are they? They're not here.
You women like rushing too much.
My interview starts in 20 minutes.
Relax. No company is running away.
So you had the key all this while?
Yes.
Victoria? Oh my God, ma'am. Honestly, I still feel bad about what happened. What do you mean? Someone called anonymously before HR made the final decision. They accused you of leaking company information. What? I didn't believe it, honestly. The whole thing felt suspicious. Who would even do that? I'm still trying to investigate quietly. Oh my God, I can't believe this. I know. We'll get through this. You didn't deserve what happened. Thank you. What's he hiding from me?
Woli, leave that talk. Just do the prayer.
Babe, are you okay?
Yes, I'm coming now.
What are you hiding?
Babe, they nominated me for promotion today.
Why are you just telling me?
It's nothing. Don't worry. I found another opening today. This one looks really good.
I don't care.
Why are you so angry?
Please don't walk away. Talk to me. I can't do this right now.
You never want to talk, please!
I can't ignore this.
Have you seen the car keys?
No.
So you had the key all this while?
Yes. It's nothing. Is it only your work that matters in this house?
No way. I'm trying to rebuild after losing my job.
Or maybe you're trying to become the man of the house.
No way. Someone called anonymously. They accused you of leaking company information. What?
Why are you always looking at my phone? You're just being emotional.
No way.
Oh God, it's all true.
You don't need to see this.
No way. What are you hiding? Let me see this phone.
What is this? Oh my God. Calls to HR the day before I was fired? It was you! Nigeria prayer line.
Jesus.
Why are you touching my phone?
You called my office. You reported me?
Lower your voice.
After everything I did for you?
So what if I did?
You destroyed my career?
How can a woman be earning more than her husband?
What?
Are you not ashamed?
What do you mean, how?
You wanted to turn me into a houseboy in America.
You're insane!
It's only useless women that compete with their husbands.
I was building our future!
A woman should never be above her husband.
How can you say that? So because of your ego, you destroyed my life?
I had to put you in your place.
You hated seeing me succeed.
A man must remain the head.
No, a real man protects his wife. I'm done.
You can't survive without me.
I can't do this anymore. I'm leaving this marriage. You betrayed me. I deserve better than this pain. I can't do this anymore. This marriage is over. I am leaving. I deserve better. This ring, it means nothing now. Goodbye. Wait, these are diamonds.
Victoria!
You didn't destroy my career. You destroyed this marriage.
We have 2 houses, Atlanta and Maryland. I'm taking one. My lawyer will contact you about splitting the money in our joint account. You wanted competition. Now compete alone. Goodbye.
No! No woman leaves me and wins. She will not get 1 dime from me. Nobody leaves me until I am done with them.
If you think this video deserves a part 2, let me know in the comments below. I really want to hear your thoughts. And if you enjoy stories like this and want more tips on how to create them, make sure you subscribe to this channel so you don't miss any future videos. Thank you so much for watching this story, and I'll see you in the next one.